Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another one of my videos. Today I want to talk about the biggest problem accountants have versus the biggest problem they think they have. So I'm Fanie Naude, I'm the Managing Director for BuzzNet Direct, and we help accountants to scale their practice to seven figures, especially accountants that's struggling with marketing and getting new clients, constantly feeling overworked. We are especially helping those accountants. So let's dive right in today's video about the biggest problem accountants have versus the biggest problem they think they have. See, this is a common misconception, is that everybody think they have these problems. Everybody think, yes, we have a lot of stuff to do, and oh, these are just so big problems, but they never ask why they think those are problems. They never ask why those problems exist in the first place. So they never get to the root of the problem. They just see, oh yes, we're not making enough profit, or we're not doing good enough in the business. It must be because we don't have enough clients. So they think, getting clients is the problem. So how do you get clients? Marketing. We don't know how to do marketing. That's our biggest problem. We do not know how to get clients, and we do not know how to do marketing. And that's some of the biggest problems accountants think they have. And I'm here to tell you is that yes, those are problems, but they are problems because of a bigger problem entirely. Because you can't just dump 20 clients on a single business and expect it to just flourish. That's not how business works. If your systems in your business are in such a way that no matter how many clients you get, you're not going to make profit, you're not going to make profit. It doesn't matter how many clients you get. So getting clients, not making profit in the business, constantly being overworked and overstressed, big problems accountants think they have. Then another big problem is staff, employee and staff optimization. Big problem, always complaining, yes, they're not pulling their weight, or there's just something wrong, and yes, we just have so many employees and we can't do all the work, and yada yada yada. All these just excuses for not actually dealing with the root of the problem. So all these problems that I just mentioned, yes, they are problems, and it's most likely that you're not solving those problems because you're not addressing the root of the problem. So I can tell you now two things that I think is the root of the problem for most accountants. And the first thing is, I've been talking about this so much on my site and everything, it's they don't pick a niche. Now, what is a niche? Everybody, what is a niche? It's your target market. It is a specific group of people with a specific problem that you can solve. Now, if you just go out and do business and say, I want to do business with the entire world, you're not going to get anybody to listen to you. If you just shout in a crowd of 10,000 people, you do accounting services, nobody's going to hire you because you're competing with all the other thousands of accountants that's doing the exact same thing. Every single accountant marketing themselves. We do accounting services, we do payroll, we do CIPC submissions, we do financial statements, we do audits. It's just services. Most people in business that's not in the accounting industry do not even know why or how or whatever your services entail. Accounting services, well, great, you get my books in order. We do not know. You need to focus on the result, what the business owner actually gets from working with you. You can't just say, well, you're going to be compliant. No, it's not how you market things. So the first step in any sort of marketing or any sort of just putting yourself out there and building a name for yourself is picking a niche. You need to solve a specific problem for a specific group of people. And you want to tell them, well, great, you solve that problem and it's going to get this result for them. Because people are not necessarily motivated just by their desires. They're actually more motivated by their fears and the stuff that can harm them. So marketing is extremely easy as soon as you have that foundation in place of the specific group of people you want to market to, the specific problem you want to solve for them. So as soon as you pick a niche, getting clients and marketing will be just so much easier. Because let's say, for example, right, you have Yuan standing on the cross of the road, and Yuan really wants apples. Like, that's his main desire. He wants apples. Now, if you go to Yuan and just tell him, I can give you apples, that's marketing. That's as baseline as I can explain it. That's marketing. You're telling him you can give him what he wants. That's as easy as marketing should be. So if you have a group of people with a specific problem, you just go to them and you say, I can solve this problem for you, and it will get you this result that they also want. That's how easy marketing is you do not need to overcomplicate everything. You just need to have that baseline, that foundation in place. The next thing that solves the other problems of overworking, not making any profit, and staff optimization is systems, business systems. I did an entire video on this last Monday. Please go check it out. It entails exactly what systems you need to put in place, how you need to think about systems, because at the end of the day, if your systems in your business is faulty and not working well and not optimized, you're never going to make profit. Your staff is not going to do their job well, and you're just going to constantly be overworked and overstressed because your systems are not in place. Yes, stress affects everybody in different ways, but that's not what it's about. It's about if you only need to work 2 days in a week, or you only need to work 4 hours in a day, there's not a lot of stress and overworking that's going to happen in that. And that's what systems can create for you. If you start thinking about systems in the right way, it can create those things. So the two root problems that we focus on solving first before we start focusing on the little things that just branch out from those root problems is picking a niche and business systems. Two most important things for your business, for your practice as the foundation. If you don't have that foundation in place, you can shout to as many people as you want. You do accounting services. It's not going to scale your business. It's not going to change how your business works. It's not going to change your mental state of being overworked and overstressed. So we are in the middle of our promotion for our 5-week online training course. See, this is exactly what we teach you. We go to the root of the problem and we help you solve those problems first before we start solving the other problems. And we solve the other problems as well. It's impossible to solve those other problems if you do not have those foundations in place. So if you're tired of just being overworked, not making profit, constantly struggling, not getting clients, do not know what to do with marketing, schedule a call with us. There's going to be a link in the description of this video. We do free consultations. It doesn't cost you any money, and it will give you a lot more clarity of where you are in your business right now and where do you want to be going. We go through that entire process with you, and then we see how we can help you, how the course can help you, how it's going to change your business, and so forth. So please schedule a call with me. I'm always happy to see, get some feedback, to talk with accountants and see what they really desire, how we can help them get to those. So that's exactly what we specialize in solving these core problems. So give us a like or a comment if this created some value for you and opened your eyes a little bit about something that you did not know before. We always like getting some feedback on our videos, so please send us some personal messages, and remember to go check out the other systems video if you have not already. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your week. And yeah, one more thing, the course is only available until this Sunday. So there was only 5 spots available in the course for these 2 weeks that we promoted it. It's only going to be available until Sunday. Then we're going to go into a value stage again, value phase, where we just constantly give you more value. So remember, you need to sign up for the course. You need to schedule those strategy sessions before this Sunday, because the promotion ends this Sunday, the 18th.